Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony here from Drone, and I'm here with Tori. It is crazy right now. We are in Sedona. We are flying the drones here at this awesome trail called Coffee Pot. Coffee Pot is along Route 89A in Sedona. This trail is amazing. I recommend it to anybody that's traveling here.
And it's only 50 degrees.
We're camping along Route 89A in Sedona. Last night was very cold. We brought lots of blankets and pillows for the most part, but probably not enough. But yeah, guys, it's beautiful here, and it's very windy, as you can tell by all the noise, the wind noise. Enjoy some of the video clips I was able to get. It is windy. So we just finished up. I just packed the drone, and two really crazy things just happened. First, I was flying my drone up there, and I was flying it like out in that direction. All of a sudden, it started getting really windy. It's been like crazy windy out here. The drone just gave me this message that said motor overloaded, and then it just started to like not respond, and then it started to like descend. So once it started to descend, I started to try my best to make it back in this direction, and luckily I was able to bring it back and land it while I caught it in my hand. But it was crazy. It like wouldn't even respond to the remote. My remote has been dying like really fast out here today, so I don't know what's going on with that.
I have a Mavic Mini on me today, and the Mini cannot withstand wind as well as the other larger drones. I launched this up, really I only did 100 feet because it was so windy. It told me to land the drone because there was a propeller issue because of the way that the wind hit it. After I turned it back on though, it didn't give me that.
I think the wind's just been causing really weird glitches and issues. I have to use this drone later for a job here in Sedona, and I'm gonna try to maybe use that battery later when there's less wind. I mean, all my batteries are over a year old, so that could be an issue. And then we also had a drone Karen come along, thinks that she can tell us what to do.
And for the record, if you have a drone and you are registered with the FAA, you are allowed to fly here at the Coffee Pot Trail.
Anywhere that you guys fly within the city of Sedona, you have to respect the airspace. So you have to check AirMap, you have to make sure that you're following all laws. But yeah, so if you ever deal with that, you know, explain to the person what it really is. You can even show them if you have the time. Drones in the sky, you might not have your phone, but I just wanted to tell you guys about that, because actually the last time I was here, the same woman that gave us the issue today gave us an issue in January when we were here. She walks her dog here every morning. You know, there's locals here that don't really like drones, so you have to keep that in mind. But yeah, guys, we're making our way back to the car, and we're gonna have more drone adventures today. Also, another thing, guys, always check wind speed before you fly.